Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative. Yes, and I have the same outfit on for the last couple of videos because I'm filming them back to back to back. I do change clothes. I just sat down and did a bunch of videos at the same time in case someone notices. Anyway, it's 4th of July and it's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm just trying to make some videos. So anyway, this is the haul from TM from today. And I'm gonna call this the Richard Garay haul, because that's pretty much most of my stuff. But first I did get these nice plush washcloths. They were $5.99 on clearance with another, on clearance 20% off with another 25% off. But the number for these is 1873641. It's just a 6-pack. I thought it was soft. So I just got those. I did pick up, I'm a sucker for collections, I really am, and punches. So I got this DIY sprinkle punch. You can make this for confetti, you can use this in your shakers, you can also use it on a donut die with the donut die, so you can use it for a few different things. So on your ice cream die, donut die, confetti, things like that. So I got it. It was $4.99. Hadn't seen it before at Tuesday morning. I also saw, what was the other punch they had? I didn't get it because I didn't need it, but it was another punch. Oh my goodness, I hadn't seen it before by Wear Member Keepers. I didn't even know they made it, but it was another punch. This number is 2004064. So sorry about the lighting. That's the sprinkle punch. This one I am on the fence, but I only saw it at 1 TM, so I decided to pick it up and then research it, and if I don't like it, I will take it back. But this one is another DIY. I have all pretty much the other ones in the party collection, but I hadn't seen this one. I don't know how I missed this one. But anyway, this is the Globe punch, and it is 1976813. It was $9.99. So debating on that. Can't even see it. That's how that looks. So create mini globes without adhesive. I saw one person, she struggled with it, so I'm debating. If I don't like it, it shall go back. These are some ephemera packs that I found, and I must say, one interesting thing is some of the packs had the wrong name on it. It had the same, didn't have the right stuff inside the pack. So make sure you check your packs. I got, it was these 4 plus a mermaid pack plus the Disney pack, I think. Yeah. These are all $1.99 and they all have different numbers. So this one, the first one, these are all Echo Park, 33 pieces. This one is Just Be You. And it is $1958723, $1.99, and that's what that looks like. Let's see if you can see this better without the light. And that's how those look. And I got them based on colors that I can use. This one is Go See Explore Again, $1.99, and the number is 1958722. Masculine. Travel kind of a feel with the bold colors, but I like the bold colors. And this one is called Party Time, and it is 1958717. But I got the kind that I think that can go pretty much with different paper pads. I'm not just in my mind's eye. I mean, excuse me, Echo Park. This one is I Love Sunshine, and this one is 1958718. The same. Oh no, I was gonna say I thought that's the same thing. I picked up these black sticky ones, sticky dimensional dots and foam dots. 1993353. I have never gotten some of the black ones. Did pick up a couple of Stampin' stamps. They're tiny. Debating if I want to keep them. They're $1.99 each. Different numbers. Okay, this one says You're the Icing on the Cupcake, 19903, 0306. And again, I got the sprinkle punch, so I was thinking this could go with, you know, this on a project, and this is a sentiment. And this one says ahoy there, and this was 1990307. This was interesting because this is Stampabilities. I used to see these in HL, and I think I had this set, but I'm not 100% sure, but I think I do. It's 14 pieces, and these are card phrases. Excuse me, something's in my eye. Anyway, there's no sticker on it, and I have not seen this in any of the TMs. They could not find it in their inventory. They could not find it in the computer anywhere. So she gave it to me for $2. And I said, well, you know what? I'll take it, even if I already have it at home for $2. I would just gift it to somebody else. The tape right here kind of looks a little dirty. Oh, well, maybe just, oh, I thought someone sticking it. It's on the outside of it. Okay. But it doesn't look like it's ever been used, but they don't even know they carry it. She said, but she couldn't find it in the computer, so she just gave it to me for $2. I did get this Mile Road metal buttons, bronze buttons, for 99¢, and it's 1970516. So there's no SKU for these stamps because they're not in the system, and they didn't give me a sticker. And then I got 2 of the 99¢ paper flowers, one of the cream and one of the pink, and they actually have different numbers. So the cream is 1967236, 40-piece set. And then the pink, the last 2 digits is 39. Now, I got, and I may take some of these back. I am not 100% sure what I'm keeping yet, but while I was out, I got everything. Then I'm going to process it, and then when I don't want, change my mind, I'm taking back. But I have learned, and it's such a hassle now. I used to go to 8 Tuesday mornings. I can do it every weekend. My schedule's changed with me traveling so much and doing so much. I don't have time to go. So when I see something, I just get it. Then if I don't like it, I just take it back to the store closest to my house. But I just decided to pick them up, and then I can process it at home if I want it or don't want it, and then just take it back. But I went to get the Richard Garay set. One, because it's masculine, and 2, I like some of the images and stuff. And I'll show you which ones that remind where I got it. But anyway, this first one right here, this is from the Noteworthy collection. This is some washi tape, and it's $1.99. It's 1985667. So this just has some phones. This says inside of it what's up, some envelopes, some calligraphy pens, some calendars. I'm thinking I'm gonna take this one back. It's cute, but I really don't need that one, so I think I'm gonna take that back. But it's cute. I got some dies and some die stamp sets. And my son, I got the Lumberjack collection, and I got that collection primarily because he is actually a supervisor at a forestry company, and I thought it would be kind of cool that I can make some various different lumberjack looking cards. So that's why I got this collection. So I'll show you what I got, and I think I'll pretty much keep that set. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Noteworthy set, but I'm going to keep these. This one is the pine needles embossing folding. This looks like an A2, and it is $1.99, 1985652. And you probably cannot see that. Let me see. Maybe you can see that embossing there. It's a, you know how that is. It's hard to see it through the plastic. But that's what that is. So that is the embossing folder pine needles. The other embossing folder set, I like this masculine. It says a knitted pattern, and the last 2 digits on this one is 51, and that one is 52. So it's a nice masculine knit feel. But you can also use this on a female as well. So I mean, you can use either one. I know you can't really see it. There you go. Actually, say it better that way. From the back. So these, you've probably already seen these because the people hauled them. But first I start out with the flowers and the leaves, which again, I'm not sure as much about those. I'm debating because where am I gonna go? Okay, it's another one somewhere. I got a couple more. I think I got 2 more somewhere, so I'll probably add on the end of this. Anyway, this is one of the flower sets. These are $4.99. This one is called Bromance Bloom. I don't know how a flower becomes bromance, but anyway, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies to make flowers, and that's the example on the back. So that's the 5 dies, so you can kind of see the size, you know, compared to my finger. And the number one, this is 1985649. The leaves, 3 dies for the leaves is called Branch Out. And again, you can kind of see compared to my hand, you know, my fingers, the size of those. And that's an example right there. And again, it's in the packaging, so sorry for the glare. And the last 2 digits on this one is 46. So again, it's 1985646. That's the last 2 digits. So these have stamps and a die with them. And like I said, I just thought it would kind of be kind of funny to make some cards for him out of these, because even though he doesn't wear necessarily a traditional lumberjack outfit, you know, he's around plaid and wood. So I kind of thought, you know, that might be kind of cool since he's in the forestry industry. And this one is called So Plaid, and the last 2 digits on this one is 55, so it's 1985655. So this is 4 stamps and 2 dies. You can see the sentiments right there. And that is an example on the back. This one says Be You and Amazing This Way. So it's a 2 die stamp set. 3 stamps, 2 die. And the last 2 digits on this one is 64. This is called Brave You stamp. So they're the 2 nice size stamps, and they're the words. And that's how that looks stamped out and cut out. I like sentiments. Oh, here's another flower one. And this is a 5 die set as well. And this flower set is called Lumberjack Balloons. And the last 2 digits on this one is 47. So again, you can kind of see how big, you know, and I don't know if you can match, but they're totally different flowers, shapes. So these probably be good for curling. That's an example right there. Curling them up or making something, I don't know. So I'm on the fence about these two flowers too. I gotta look at some pictures and see what people made and see if I can get inspired. But this one is called Bromance Stamp, and this one says Bromance, Love You and Your Beard. Why does the guy say bromance? I don't know. He's kind of got a weird quirky face. Does not look like my son. But anyway, this is 4 stamps and 2 dies. But I thought that would be fun to make something like that for him. My son does not have a beard. It's a little bit of facial hair, mustache, and goatee sometimes. But no beard. But I thought it'd be neat to color up and make something fun. I thought, you know, he would appreciate it since he doesn't actually cut down the trees, but, you know, he works at a large forestry, so I just thought it'd be cool. Just like I thought this plaid shirt one would be kind of cool, and it's called Plaid Shirt, and the last 2 digits is 56, and this one is 3 dies and 7 stamps, and I love the plaid shirt. And it says plaid shirt, timber, and beard, and knit cap. Like having some of those masculine things in your, you know, back pocket, having those. This one is the Hey Bro. Last two digits is 53. So this is 4 stamps and 1 die. So you just have that one shape, and then the word says choppy birthday, hey bro, and then you have the saw, and then it says would you. So again, I think you can relate to all of those. That saw. Then the noteworthy set says the last two digits is 69, so make sure the same beginning numbers. Yep, 1985669, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And these, you know, you can cut out like your project life cards, your Instagram photos, all the ones that can fit into your photo sheets. So yes, so that's $6.99. And then these two, this is the abstract one and the pennant. Okay, the abstract one is 61. It's $4.99. So these are more like triangles, or half a square, excuse me. And the example looks like that. And then this one is pennants, and so it's more triangular, and the last two digits is 62. It looks similar, but different geometric design. And then the last one is the envelope, which I'm gonna have to come back with the envelope. But anyway, just in case, I think, did I get it? I gotta check. But if the video goes on, then I mean I get it. I got it. If I didn't, then I mean I didn't. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Okay, so here is the last RG Richard Garay, and this is the noteworthy. This is the mail note, and this one is $19.99, and this makes a 5x5 corn envelope, and it is 1985666. Excuse me, 1985668. A little pricey, $19.99, but that's what it looks like. And it should hold a 5x5 card, squared. And I don't have any envelopes, and this is a really nice size. It's about 10 or 11 inches, so you have to use, I have a Big Shot Plus, so you need something big like that to run it through, because it is wider than your typical, most cutting ones, whatever you have, is usually about 5.5 inches wide, maybe 6. So this is definitely, you have to have a wider machine to do this. So if you don't have a wider machine, there's no need even looking for this. And there's the 2 flaps for the corners as well. So, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribe, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.